The internet says don't buy a £30,000 Audi R8. So I didn't. I paid a little bit less than that. For this example, this awesome British Racing Green or Monterey Green V8 with the gated manual. To me, it is the perfect spec, so I couldn't let it go. That green is super rare. Maybe less than 10 cars were ever made in this color. But that means it needs a lot of work, and I'm going to do all of that work myself, because how hard can it actually be to look after a car like this? If you're new around here, I have no mechanical experience. I've just about lowered and modified a BMW Z3 before and changed the oil and serviced my other vehicle. So this is going to be a huge learning, and that journey started back in December when I needed to get this through an MOT due to its Magrides, and spoiler alert, a bit of a disaster happens at the MOT. So cut to the other workshop, let's get to it. All right, let's take a look at what we're dealing with.
Okay, so what bolts are we undoing? That one. Big one down there, I reckon. And that one. So it is essentially just two eyelets, I believe. It is those two bolts we've got to take out, but look at how you have to get to it. You'll notice wheel arch liner and the air ducts are out. So you've got to take the whole arch liner out. As you can see, arch liner out, and then air intakes here for obviously coming through the big side blade. Air gets sucked up through here and then through that hole into the air filters. So I have to remove it all just to get to that bolt. God damn, that is stiff. I get it now. Why garages are charging £2 a corner. What a blag this is. Got it. Right then, look at the state of this one. I think it's been leaking for a while. That's why it's failed. The new one is down here. I've checked the two together. Exactly the same. So obviously we're going to fit that now. And what I actually did, I had some leftover Lano guard as well and just coated that leftover from doing the van recently. So yeah, just thought give it a little go whilst it's off. Don't really intend to have that arch liner out again. So just good to do. Clean it off, preventative for things happening in the future. Right there. Let's get a new one in. All right, so that is it, and I'm covered in stuff now. It was a bit of a blag job, but you know what? Definitely worth the savings. So I paid just over £1,200 for that rear set. They work, they're both on, I've checked, and there's no suspension lights, so they are definitely working. Like I said, they're OE, so I had no doubt. So pretty good value, given that that should have been like £4 grand, and it's taken me quite a bit of time, to be perfectly honest with you, but not too bad considering the other side was way quicker, just because you already know what you're doing. So I actually jet washed off the arch liners just to give them a big scrub, cleaned it all up. Like I said, just quick little bit with the leftover Lano guard. So next step, wheels back on, drop it down and take it for its MOT.